Hello and welcome to Merta D channel. I'm Merta from Canada and I would like to introduce myself and talk about the goal of this channel. Well, I have 20 years experience working in pharmaceutical field and I've worked for many different companies located in Canada and US. The majority of this time I've worked in R&D department. However, I have some experience working for QC and QA. I never worked in production nor packaging, and I had close collaboration working with product developments and regulatory affairs. And I have been involved with many different products that were submitted and sold in Canadian, US and European markets. The goal of this channel is to provide learning videos for people who are working in pharmaceutical and cosmetic companies. And the topics that I'm providing are mostly about qualitative and quantitative analysis, but this would be expanded later on. So far, videos are provided in two different languages. They are in Farsi, which is my mother tongue language, and in English. And as I said, so far there are a lot of videos on reverse engineering, and there are other videos which are under miscellaneous. Now, why reverse engineering? Because one of the major challenges for generic pharma company is to do the deformulation. And based on my experience, many of these companies do not have very strong deformulation team, and the people who work in so-called Q and Q departments are not well experienced. And the reverse engineering is a term that used during the ANDA submission. Now the Q1 very much talks about the qualitative analysis, which means you have to find the right grade of inactive ingredients in your reference product. And the Q2 refers to the amount of inactive ingredients, and that has to be plus or minus 5% of the target amount. So for people who are familiar with the ANDA submission, they probably know about the pharma equivalence, bioequivalency, and therapeutic equivalency. And just very briefly, when the submission is being made, that submission could have Q1, Q2 component with a bio waiver, or it is just a Q1 with a clinical study. I don't want to get into this topic too much. Probably I will make video later on and talk about this. Well, thank you very much for choosing to watch this video, and I appreciate your contribution to this channel, and the contribution should be in the form of either writing comments, sharing your experience that you had, and I also appreciate if you subscribe to this video. Thank you very much and have a good day.